Hey guys, I want to bring you another YouTube video. We just recently came back from our road trip and just showing you the before and after what happened. So obviously we had a cracked windshield, deductible or comprehensive deductible on it, so it's gonna be about $100 to get it fixed. You can see lots of bugs front. Show you the inside. Show you how dirty. You can see after a long 2.5 weeks road trip with kids, how much damage, or not damage, more like how much was done to it. So going to try to wash it, clean it, vacuum it as well as we can. I'll show you the after. So just showing you the vacuum, did some of the vacuuming. Some of the mat needs to be like kind of hand washed more. Got rid of the food in my son's car seat, same for my daughter. So it's definitely cleaner. Got rid of this black smug earlier. And so pretty happy with so far what I was able to do. You can see the before and after, just waiting for the glass to be repaired. So this is the windshield that was replaced. You see no longer a crack there. So safe light came out. Took probably about an hour at most to get replaced, and took out the old one. So definitely would highly recommend, since they came out to my house. So go ahead and like this video if you found it informative on replacing windshield and what happened to our trip on the way back, and then subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thanks for your support, and together we can build better tomorrow. Thanks.